Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to make your first 100,000. Are you ready to embark on a journey towards financial success? Today, we're going to dive deep into proven strategies and powerful tips that will empower you to achieve your goals and build the life of your dream. In order to make your first 100,000, you need to first establish your money goal. It all starts with setting your sights on your financial goals and what those are. Picture the life you desire, the freedom that you crave, and the security you deserve. What does success look like to you? Success means having the freedom to design your own schedule without the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passion, whether that involves traveling the world, starting a business, or spending quality time with love. Picture yourself lounging on the pristine beaches of a tropical paradise, sipping cocktails under the warm sun as the turquoise waves gently lap against the shore. Success affords you the opportunity to explore exotic destinations, immerse yourself in different cultures, and create unforgettable memories that last a lifetime. Now take a moment to envision your future and define your goals with clarity and purpose. Believe in your ability to make your dreams a reality. Your journey to 100,000 begins with a single step, fueled by ambition, determination, and unwavering commitment. Many have done it before you. Why can't you? Now let's talk numbers. Take a close look at your finances and determine how much can you safely save each month. Is it $250? Is it $500? $1,000? Or maybe it's $3,000. Remember, every dollar that you save brings you one step closer to your goal. Be realistic yet ambitious in your savings targets. Challenge yourself to stretch beyond your comfort zone and push the boundaries of what you thought possible. Harness the power of automation to supercharge your savings efforts. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts, thus making saving become effortless and consistent. Most importantly, you will make saving a habit and it will become as natural to you as eating or sleeping. By automating your savings, you eliminate the temptation to spend impulsively and prioritize your financial goals with unwavering discipline. If your employer offers a retirement savings plan, seize the opportunity to maximize your contributions. Take full advantage of any employer matching contributions as they represent free money and it helps to turbocharge your savings. If an employer offers 3% to 5% match of any of your contributions, take full advantage of that and their assistance in growing your savings. Invest in your future with confidence, knowing that every contribution brings you one step closer to financial freedom and abundance. Now let's discuss windfalls and bonuses. Windfalls and bonuses are golden opportunities to accelerate your progress towards your first 100,000. Instead of succumbing to the allure of instant gratification, you need to channel these unexpected sums of money towards your savings goal. Exercise restraint and foresight in your financial decisions, prioritizing long-term prosperity over short-term indulgence. Before you can soar toward your financial goals, it's essential to break free from the shackles of debt. You need to prioritize paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, and free yourself from this financial burden. Embrace financial freedom with open arms, knowing that each debt payment brings you one step closer to the life you've always envisioned. Once your debts are paid off, you can then redistribute that money towards your saving goal and achieving $100,000. It is important that on the journey to achieve your goal, you seek different ways to increase your income. Unleash your earning potential and seize opportunities to increase your income, as it will become a powerful tool towards hitting 100,000. Whether through a side hustle, freelance work, or career advancement, empower yourself to earn more and unlock pathways to prosperity. Additional earnings can go towards investments or savings. Even early on, they can help pay off debt faster to free your money up to target your savings goals. Some lucrative side hustles you may consider include consulting, tutoring or teaching, driving or delivery services, and content creation like Twitch, Patreon, or YouTube. Embrace abundance, and abundance will embrace you. By focusing on creating value and seizing opportunities, you'll propel yourself towards unprecedented financial success. Invest in yourself. Invest in the greatest asset that you possess, yourself. Commit to lifelong learning, personal growth, and continuous improvement. Cultivate your skills, expand your knowledge, and position yourself for boundless opportunities. Empower yourself to reach new heights and unlock your full potential. The investment you make in yourself today will pay dividends for a lifetime. Be consistent and persistent. Consistency is the cornerstone of success. Stay the course, remain steadfast in your pursuit of greatness, and never lose sight of your destination. Persistence is your greatest ally. Persistence is your greatest ally on the journey to 100,000. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, setbacks as stepping stones to success, and failures as valuable lessons along the way. With resilience and determination, you'll conquer any obstacle in your path. Now adjust your mindset. Your mindset is the compass that guides you on your journey. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, positivity, and unwavering belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Transform obstacles into opportunities, setbacks into comebacks, and dreams into reality. Embrace the power of possibility, the magic of manifestation, and the infinite potential within you. You are destined for greatness. Nothing, I mean nothing, can stand in the way of your success. Congratulations, you've taken the first steps on your journey to making your first 100,000. Remember, success is not a destination, but a journey of growth, discovery, and transformation. Embrace each moment, cherish each step, and celebrate your progress along the way. The road ahead may be long and challenging, but with courage and determination and unwavering faith in yourself, you will conquer every obstacle and achieve every dream. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep believing, and keep achieving.